Today we're driving to Surrey for some Jamaican burritos. So I'm here with my friend Matt. We're heading into Cloverdale. There's a Jamaican burrito place that's apparently in a carport on a back road.
Basically in the middle of nowhere, open only twice a week, Fridays and Saturdays from noon till 8. But it's the only place you're gonna find proper charcoal grilled, jerk chicken, jerk beef, fresh lemonades, fresh iced teas. High recommendation.
We'll show you the route here. Okay, 180th Street, we're turning left at Stampede Tack.
Yeah, we're going by Cloverdale KPU, and the site of the new Cloverdale Hospital is going in down here. So if you go down a dead-end street where you think somebody might murder you, you're going the right way. Just keep going.
Past the Esso card lock.
Past another construction zone.
Hospital construction over here.
And if we don't get shipped, the food is really good. There you go.
I've never been this far in here.
There you go, Tommies, jerk taco here.
Okay, let me zoom in on the sign here. Looks slightly murdery. All right,
and
let's look on the
the
side window
chef
here.
is to our right.
Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, this looks super murderous.
And that is the owner right there.
We'll let you know how it goes. We're gonna meet with the owner here.
Welcome to Tommy's Jerk. My name is Tommy. Hey, right. So we do Jamaican jerk chicken, 21 spices marinated 48 hours. Everything goes pundy grill. Jerk comes from the smoke. You can't cheat the process. If somebody puts it in the grill, puts it in the oven, that's on them. But if you want it to taste like Kingston, Jamaica, without you having to jump on a flight yet, then damn, you do that. This is the magic of what happens. So cooked, so grilled. Where's my tongue at? And everything goes off. So you can choose chicken, beef, or a combination, right? So right now, for the rest of the day, we're just running chicken. We've run beef already. And we do tacos, burritos, nachos, and rice and peas.
Nice.
So, yeah, and patties.
I do a combination.
You do a combination?
I'm gonna go for a chicken myself.
You doing chicken burrito and you doing a combo burrito?
Yep.
So just the two of them?
I went for the chicken with the fresh pineapple lemonade. What did you get?
I went for strawberry lemonade. You even got like chunks in there, chunks of strawberries.
Yeah,
And the mixed chicken and beef together. See how she looks. Oh yeah. Before Matt takes a bite, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out a lot. And you can also follow me on TikTok.
That is at least a pound and a pound and a bit. The flavors are exploding. There is no lack of flavor there. Salt is open. Burrito is ready.
Smells good. This thing is good beefy size. It's awesome.
There we go.
Oh, there's a spice. We're like medium to hot level. Spice is building. See, lots of beef, lots of chicken.
They're
super
not-
meaty, so much meat, spicy. It's good.
They're not cheaping out on the meat.
A lot of places give you like a quarter of what's in here.
Exactly, right? I guarantee you your $18 worth of tacos at Lost Tacos didn't have half as much meat that's in here.
Oh yeah, this is mostly meat.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. The scenery here. You got the grills over there. Costco tables. It's like a tunnel. So we just finished Tommy Jerks. It was awesome. It's a weird building. It's like not even a hole in the wall. There's no walls. It's just like a tunnel tent. I had the mixed beef and chicken together. Super juicy, kind of like a medium level spicy. My spice tolerance has gone down. Shamefully gone down. And I had the strawberry lemonade with like big chunks of strawberry in it.
I went with the chicken burrito. I had the pineapple lemonade. I am absolutely full, and that's a nice big fat guy saying that, and I totally approve of this place.
So tax tip, $20. Pretty good.
You can't complain.
Super stuffed.
Realistically, easily a meal you could split with two normal people.
Yeah, just a bit of a scary drive at night if you're hungry at night. But,
And they close at 8, so
they close at 8, so in the summertime it'll still be light
and
outside.
only open 2 days a week. Friday, Saturday, that's it. So
that's Tommy Jerks. We'll see you in the next one.
cheers.
YouTube thinks you'll like this video over here next. The algorithm's never wrong. Go ahead and watch it.